Hello everyone, my name is Noel Soons. Today my presentation is on art of active listening skills. We humans have 2 ears and 1 mouth to listen to twice as much as we speak. Most young people have attempted or committed suicide because the world seems to be deaf to them. Parents dictate without listening to their kids, teachers punish without listening to their students, and the government rule without listening to the plight of the people. We live in the age we call the age of communication. We are surrounded by tweets, cell phones, emails, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Everyone communicates, but not everyone can communicate effectively. Communication is a two-way process. If the listener does not understand the message passed by the speaker, then communication has not transpired. We hear a lot of speaking, but not a lot of listening. If I speak without anyone listening to me, then I am not communicating. Therefore, listening is the missing half of effective communication. Listening is making meaning from sound and is something that we consciously choose to do. It requires concentration for your mind, for your brain to process meaning from words and sentences. This process involves 4 stages of receiving, understanding, evaluating, and responding. It is also known as receptive skill because it is received and not produced by the person. Attitude, attention, and adjustment are the 3 A's that plays a key role in the listening skill. Listening skill is the ability to accurately receive and interpret messages in the communication process. Listening is not about responding or reacting to a situation. Most of us listen to respond, but it is more important to listen to understand instead. Without the ability to listen effectively, messages can be easily misunderstood. Therefore, effective listening is a skill that underpins all positive human relationships. We are losing our listening. 60% of our communication time we spend on listening. However, we are able to retain only 25% of what we hear. The art of conversation is being replaced dangerously by personal broadcasting. News channels spend a lot of time, effort, and money to grab your attention by displaying breaking and flashing news on your TV screens. It is difficult to listen to a person when it is not a face-to-face communication. Listening is difficult as compared to speaking due to barriers of different language, accent, sentence formation, body language, tone, and circumstances. With so much of noise and distractions going on in our mind, we do not have the mental or emotional space to listen to others. Listening is a skill that can be acquired and developed with practice. When we listen carefully, we listen not only to the words that are being spoken, but we also listen to the words that are not being spoken. For example, an inexperienced mother understands the feeling, wants, and needs of her infant child that cannot speak. We listen to what we pay attention to, or things that are of interest to us, like culture, language, values, beliefs, attitudes, intentions, expectations, etc. For example, those who love cricket will listen very attentively to the speaker when he speaks about cricket. The 4 signs of active verbal listening skills are paying attention to when the speaker is speaking, providing feedback to what you have understood to the speaker, not interrupting the speaker when he is speaking, and responding appropriately to the speaker. The 4 signs of non-verbal listening skills are smiling and keeping eye contact with the speaker when he is speaking, maintaining the right posture while listening to the speaker, mirroring the speaker non-provocatively, and not getting distracted while listening to the speaker. Here are the 7 secrets to better your active listening skills. Spend 3 minutes a day of silence to reset and recalibrate your ears. Enjoy the mundane sound around you. Try to listen to the individual channels of sound that you hear. Show appreciation to the speaker by making little sounds like okay when the speaker is speaking. Mirror back what the speaker has said in your own words. Summarize with the speaker what you have understood. Ask broad and open-ended questions when the speaker has finished speaking. Although listening is cheap, it comes with huge benefits. Here are the 7 benefits identified of active listening skills. Others will start listening to you. You can easily and quickly gain information for reaching solutions. It opens the door to new relationships as conscious listening creates understanding. It mends broken relationships with family, friends, neighbors, and colleagues. It is the best gift that you can give to anyone. It earns you the respect that you deserve. It improves productivity as well as your ability to influence, persuade, and negotiate. It takes a lot of time, effort, concentration, and determination to be an active listener. You will be able to focus on what the other person needs only if you stop talking and start listening actively. Old habits are hard to break, and if your listening skill is as bad as mine, then it will take you a lot of time and effort to break this bad habit. Start using active listening techniques today if you want to become a better communicator. It will improve your personal branding, workplace productivity, as well as develop better relationships with your peers and colleagues. And that could be the secret to you earning better ratings in your annual appraisals. Thank you for listening to me.